Alright, so question 15 says the front of a grandfather clock consists of a timber board with dimensions as shown. A circle of radius 20 centimeters is cut out from the board, okay, cut out from the board to form the clock face. Find the area of the remaining timber board correct to one decimal place. So there's a few things to break down here. We'll worry about the circular hole to cut out at the end. Let's worry about working out how much wood we have. So at the bottom we have this shape down the bottom, and it looks to me that it is a trapezium. Two parallel sides and a distance between them. Next we have a rectangle up to there, and we have half a circle up to here. So we're going to add all of those together and then subtract the circle in the middle. So I'm going to call them area 1, area 2, area 3 for the half circle. Okay, and then finally the circle we're cutting out is area 4. So essentially we're going to be doing this. The area which is left over, I'm just going to call it area total, is going to be area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 and finally minusing area 4. So that's our plan of attack. So let's work out area 1. Now it's a parallelogram, so we're going to add our two parallel sides together, which is 60 plus 64, times it by the distance between them, which is 5, and then divide by 2. So let's quickly work that out. Get our calculator so we can see the answer. There we go. Let's put it over there. So 60 and 64 is 128. So I'm going to write down 128 straight away. So 128 times 5 divided by 2. It's a bit of a shortcut way of doing it. And that's 320. So let's write down 320 for area 1 centimeters squared. Now area 2 is rectangle. It is 60 by 0.8. Now we should change the 0.8 into centimeters, so that's 80 centimeters. So we have 60 by 80, which is 4,800 centimeters squared. Now the half circle at the top, we need to look to see what radius we have. This is area 3. So the diameter of the half circle is the same as the width of the rectangle, which is 30. So that makes the radius being 30 centimeters. So now we have pi times 30 squared times a half. Let's grab our calculator, clear our answer here, and do shift pi times 30 squared times, I'm just going to use 0.5 instead of doing a half, and it's 450 pi. Let's leave it like that for the moment. I prefer to leave it like that. 450 pi. The reason I left it like that is because if we do too much rounding off in the question, our answer is not going to be nearly as exact as we want it. So it's best to round off once, and that's normally at the end. Now, last one, area 4, which is the circle we're going to cut out once we've added everything up. Now we can see that, I'm not sure how hard it is to see, but let's rub out some of the mess that we've done, that the radius is 20. So we've got pi times 20 squared, and I can see that straight away is 400 pi, area 4. Now let's put all this together. We have 320, which is area 1. Area 2 is 480. Area 3 is 450 pi. And area 4, which we're going to subtract, is 400 pi. And now we can work out our answer. So I've got my calculator, and we're going to do that 320 plus 480 plus 450 times pi minus 400 times pi equals 957.1. 957.1 centimeters squared.